This is going to be a video tutorial on how to rotate text in Canva. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into the free version of Canva. To rotate text in Canva, say that this text right here I wanted to rotate. First thing you want to do is left click on the text that you want to rotate. I have the text selected now. I have the bounding box around it. You can go down below that text and you'll see this circle with the arrows in it. Put your mouse cursor over that, hold down your left mouse button, and while holding down your left mouse button, pull to the left or right. Pull to the left, it goes this way. Pull to the right, it goes this way. That is how to rotate text in Canva. Thanks for watching.